In this video, I'm going to show you how to add glow effect in Photoshop. So the first thing you need is of course an image of something or an object where it's been cut out of the background, like in my case this butterfly, as you can see. So it's on transparent background and the only image is this butterfly over here. Now what you then want to do is simply click on the object, in my case on this butterfly, right click down here and go into blending options. Okay, so right click on the layer and click blending options on the very top. Then once you're in here, you want to look for something that's called outer glow. Okay, so when you click on this, as you can see, nothing yet happened. However, if we're going to play with this a little bit, so let's say I want to set this to normal over here and then the opacity at 100%. And then let's say I want a different color, so I want a red glow to this butterfly. Okay, as you can see, I already have somewhat of a glow effect around this butterfly down there, and you can then of course play around with different things. So we can play around with the technique. It can be softer or precise. So as you can see, precise looks much better, and you can spread it out so it goes more it goes further out from the object. You can adjust the size, so how much it glows, and you can also adjust the opacity if you'd like to, and yeah, the range and jitter as well. Now as you can see, this doesn't do a whole lot in this case, but again, it depends on what you're editing. Okay, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Once you're happy and you can play around with these glow settings, as I said, and if you don't see it changing on screen, you can see it changing over here on the right. But if you want to see it changing on screen, make sure you enable preview here on the right. And now once you're done, you simply want to press OK up here, and there we go. Your glow effect has been added to your image.